Cityside Fiber is rapidly expanding across Orange County, bringing residents and businesses a premier choice for internet with faster speeds, local service, and great value. If you live in an apartment, here's how to help bring Cityside Fiber to your community. Visit citysidefiber.com, click check availability, and pre-register your apartment unit. This shows demand and kickstarts the process. We'll send you a landlord approval form to present to your property management. This helps us get the necessary agreements to build our network within your building. Become a Cityside Fiber ambassador and spread the word to neighbors. More interest communicated to your property manager helps Cityside connect your home more quickly, and Cityside ambassadors get perks and discounts as well. We're happy to meet with property managers and residents to discuss our service benefits, including special pricing for community needs like Wi-Fi and security. Follow up with your leasing office and property management. We look forward to connecting you soon.